Even though the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse won't arrive until later this year, Ford has already raised the price. Initially starting at $57,970, the high-performance Mustang now lists for $59,270, while the Dark Horse Premium, which started at $61,565, is now $63,265. Those increases of $1,300 and $1,700 are for the base price before options and the $1,595 destination fee. Ford announced the original prices for the 2024 models in late February and has not yet acknowledged the increases. Instead, the revised prices were recently discovered by a member of the Mustang 7G forum on the Ford Mustang configurator. This would mean the most expensive version of the Dark Horse would top $81,215, including the destination fee. Motor1.com has contacted Ford regarding the increase on the official website. We will jump in with an update if fresh news becomes available. Regardless of the trim, every Dark Horse has an upgraded version of the Ford 5.0-liter V8, producing 500 naturally aspirated horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. The 600A package of the standard model includes a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo, Ford Copilot 360 Assist, 19-inch aluminum wheels, and Brembo performance brake system. The Mustang Premium 700A package adds heated and cooled front seats, exterior lighting with approach detection, a security package, and premium trim. It's not unusual for car manufacturers to raise prices due to increased material costs, supply chain issues, or other market factors. Last year, Ford raised the price of the Lightning several times, starting with a $7,100 price increase in August, followed by increases in October and December. The 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse replaces the Mach 1 and Shelby variants as the most track-capable, high-performance Mustang. Rather than reuse the Mach 1, Shelby, or Boss model name, Ford decided to go with Dark Horse, which had been kicked around since the 6th-generation car launched. The name plays on the unexpected, which is fitting because while some competitors like the Chevrolet Camaro are departing the pony car segment, the Mustang is still alive and kicking.
Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new publications.